Hello, welcome to Julijetek tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your own advert video in a professional way, yes, that you can use for your businesses. So, watch this tutorial to the end. Before we get right into it, please watch this short sample video and see how your video will look like when you try your own. So please watch.
Your living room deserves comfort, your home deserves elegance, and you deserve furniture that speaks luxury. Introducing our premium sofas and couches, designed to give your home beauty, comfort, and class. Whether you want modern designs, luxury couches, family sofas, or stylish living room sets, we've got the perfect one for you.
This is another version of Heygen AI. We want to talk about another features that Heygen has. Our last video, we were talking about how you can clone yourself to be the avatar, how you can arrange your script, and how you can be in a professional mode. But now we want to introduce to you another features that Heygen has. Subscribe to our channel, and also you will check on the description of this video. You will see the WhatsApp number that you can reach out to us if you are interested to learn video editing, AI, compilation course. If you are interested to make your own app, we are there to train everybody. Our training is being done on Telegram and WhatsApp group. So if you are interested, just give us a message and we will add you to our channel. All right. Thank you for being with us today. This is another feature that we want to bring to you. This one. Generate a free video from a prompt. Now, this Heygen AI is also good for an advert. For the sake of our tutorial, we want to show you how you can use this Heygen AI to create your advert in a minute. Yes, instead of it to pay for a viral video on how you can create your advert in a professional way, you can use Heygen AI. Just one click, you got your advert. Before we were talking about how you can clone yourself using AI avatar. We talk about this one. This one is about if you have a video and you want to translate that video to another language, you can bring it here. Just bring it here, and this Heygen AI will translate for you. But we want to talk about only generate a video from a prompt. Let's get into it. All right, we already arranged our script. Let's say we want to advertise your business, anything that you want to advertise, either television, anything. What do you sell? Just go to ChatGPT and make a script about it, and look at what we say. And it now give us this prompt here. ChatGPT now give us this script here. We said that it should make a script for us about sofa and couch adverts. So these are the scripts, and we want to use these scripts. To give to Heygen AI and to talk about it. You'll see how Heygen AI will put it in a professional way. We already generate a picture for these scripts. Yes, you'll see our picture that we generate. So let's go into it. This the video. Then you just click into that. Let me go back. Click this. Generate a video from a prompt. When you click that, it will now take you to this page. So here, all what you need to do, you can cancel all this. This was what I did before. You can cancel all that so that you have a fresh look. So you click this plus icon, click on it, and click on assets. You click on assets, put in the picture that we already generated for this script. Now click then upload file or drag and drop. You can click on it. So you click on your gallery, either this one, anyone that you want to use. You click on it. It will now open. Now this first picture here is what we want to use. This one. So we are using a Julijetek man advertising these products, these sofa and couches. So we are using it. Then after you click on it, this is where you want to click. Yes, this is where you want to click continue. Just click the continue and the picture will be added to this. As you can see, The picture has already been added. The next thing you want to do here is to choose how you want your advert to be. Now look at the style. Look at style from a community. Is to choose how you want your advert to be. You know, all these videos are the videos that people that know how to edit, they can edit it. But you can also use all these samples to make your advert to look professional. All right, let's see how it is. So we want to play this one.
It's about what you say no to. Act 1. Start with the problem. Don't fall for feature blackmail. Most features are just the tip of an iceberg of hidden complexity. Focus on the deep-seated problems instead. Next, we think big, but start small. Have a grand vision, but ship the smallest possible version to learn fast. It's the heartbeat of development. Intercom ships early and often. Shipping isn't a one-time launch. It's a continuous rhythm of learning and refining. What you ship is what actually matters. Finally, we deliver outcomes, not just features. The show doesn't end at launch. It's about the
I think I like this one. It's good for our advert, but I'll still show you some of these styles. Let's say, for example, this person just sitting down and discussing about it. Okay.
Product strategy means saying no. It's the foundation of Intercom's success. As products grow, they're flooded with ideas from customers, competitors, and internal teams. Most are good ideas. But real strategy requires rejecting 99 good ideas to build one truly brilliant, cohesive.
As you can see, all these styles, they are good for adverts. Just imagine how if you don't want to generate a picture of someone talking about your advert, your product, you can use your own professional picture. Just take a picture, dress well, and take a picture about yourself. Then use that picture to talk about your product. You will see how you are going to talk about your product in a good and in a professional way. So all these styles, they are there to help you to make your video very awesome. Look at them. If you want to put it in a landscape, you can use some of these ones. Use some of these ones. But if you want to put it in a portrait, you can use all these 9:16 screen. We want to use this. We want to use it. Before we use that, let's put in our script inside here. We want to put in our script inside here. All right. We already copy our scripts, paste in our scripts, right? Then look at our script here. So then we want to use this style, this one. We want to use this one. You click on it. Then you can click on use style. When you click on it, it will fix in here. As you can see, look at it here. Look at it here. So you are using the style of that edit. So the next thing we want to click on is very simple. Just click on enter, that arrow up there. Click on it and your video will start to generate. So as you can see, look at, so the agent here, this time you are giving the agent here to do what he wants to do. So this block here is a plan for the video, generating video plan about the video. The script, the style, the voice, and the avatar. The avatar is that person that you put in, either yourself that you want to add into the video. You already generate. Look at Julijetek, the pay bill so far advert. Look at it here. It has already put in the avatar, the person talking about it. Look at it here. The video can be portrait. It's going to be portrait. Yes. And it's going to take 20 to 30 credits. But note, remember that Heygen AI, you can only generate video once. Use the Gmail and generate video once. So now let's go back to the charts. Then we will see how the video is generating. Then look at it has already generated and give it a name. Look at the name here. Julijetek the pay bill so far advert. Then he's thinking The Heygen AI is thinking about it. So it will take some time to generate the video plan. So we will be right back. There is something that we will show you, but when it reach that section, we'll be right back. So our video is thinking and is generating. It's going, so we need to give him some time. Please take this time to subscribe to our channel and give this channel a thumbs up. Tell us what you like about this video and tell us what you like is special about this Heygen AI. This is a 2 version of the video of AI and it's already giving us what we want. Instead of you to just look for a way or generate video and edit it for your adverts, just come to Heygen AI and put everything, put your script, put the person that you want to talk about your advert, put in everything as we all did. This Heygen AI will just give you what you want. So you can see, look at how it will start to generate from 2%. Now head, look at where we wanted to show you. So a suggestion, and this time we want to show you this page. Before you move on, you just need to take your time and read it. If it is what you want, you can quickly accept it, but if you want to edit it, just click here and edit it. You can remove, if it is not creating video, you can remove it. If it is this content, these are the content of the video. If the content of this video is not what you want, you can remove it and put what you want. Yes, but this is exactly what we want. The video name is paying bill style. All right, we can just leave it like that and click accept. Then another one will come out. So you can just accept it like that and just accept it. Then your video is still creating 81%. You'll be right back. Okay, our video is ready to be played. Now, before we play this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's play.
Your living room deserves comfort. Your home deserves elegance. And you deserve furniture that speaks luxury. Introducing our premium sofas and couches, designed to give your home beauty, comfort, and class. Whether you want modern designs, luxury couches, family sofas, or stylish living room sets, we've got the perfect one for you. Our sofas are strong and durable, made with quality materials, comfortable and stylish, and perfect for homes, offices, and lounges. And guess what? Our prices are very affordable, starting from just N200,000 up to N700,000 depending on the design and size. Why settle for ordinary when you can transform your space into something beautiful? Order today and upgrade your home with luxury furniture that lasts. Send us a message now. Delivery available. Comfort meets class. Your comfort is our priority.
What can you say about this video? Put it on the comment section. What can you say about, do you like it or you don't like it? No, just imagine how you sit down and edit this kind of video. They are paying for it, but what does Heygen AI do for you? Heygen AI use only 1 minute. You just put in your everything and it will give you the same video, professional video. You can just do it like with any product that you have. Just do it like this and use it to make your adverts. Just put in any of the social media, you see how people are rushing your business. All right, this is the end of our tutorial. We thank you for being with us until this time. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and also like our video. Tell us what you think about this tutorial. All right, we'll be with you in another time. Thank you. See you in another time. Bye.